Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I've tried to film this video like 9 times so far and the dog just keeps whinging and running around in the background. So if he whinges in this one, it's just going to be in the video because I cannot be bothered to film it again. Oh, so this is a little chit chat video just discussing how my full week of vegetarian eating went. I am a meat eater. I've always been a meat eater. Ben, my other half, eats meat. The kids all eat meat. There's no one in our whole family that is vegetarian or vegan or anything like that. My brother's a celiac, but everybody eats meat. And I've got lots and lots of friends who are veggie and vegan. And I've always, whenever we have like parties or anything, I've always cooked veggie or vegan food for them so they have something nice to eat. And I just wondered, it was just a general inquiry to myself if I could be vegetarian for a week. My initial plan was to be pescatarian because I assumed that without having the meat that I'd want the fish, that I'd kind of want the sort of meaty texture of things. And I was like, okay, so I'll be pescatarian. But it turns out I didn't need it. I didn't have the fish at all. I did a full week of veggie eating. I'll link the video somewhere. I can't remember where it's going to be. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I expected it to be so difficult, but it wasn't at all. It was so easy. And I was really careful. I checked things before I ate them. Like I make grapes. I get I slice grapes and I put water on them and then I sprinkle sugar-free jelly crystals on them and freeze them so they taste like sweets. That's kind of like an old Slimming World thing. One of the only good things that came out of Slimming World. But I absolutely love them. They're so good. And I went to do it, but the jelly has gelatin in it. So I couldn't. So I had to twist it. So I got some frozen berries and I blitzed them up to a powder and then I put those on the grapes and froze them. So I had grapes with like raspberries, strawberries, pomegranate, blueberries, blackberries, mango, pineapple, all blitzed up over the top of them, just kind of give them a little bit of texture and sweetness, and they were delicious. Yeah, and I'm just really proud of myself that I could do it, and I just wanted to sort of say, if anyone is thinking about doing it, even if it's just for a week, or if you want to do half a week or a day, just try it. It's easier than you think. I am going to continue with at least half a week of vegetarian eating, just because I don't know, it just feels like it's something better for the world just to kind of eat less meat. Like if I don't need to eat it, like I felt absolutely fine. I had a really good week. I actually lost 2.5 pounds during it. I don't know, if I don't need to eat it, then why would I, if that made sense? Some dinners I'll still have, like I imagine I'll still have a steak every now and then if I fancy it. And if I'm cooking something for all of us as a meal, it's nice for us to all have the same thing sometimes. But yeah, I will definitely continue to eat veggie as much as I can because I really did enjoy it. I have recently discovered a love of Indian food, like a lentil dal, coconut dal, aloo gobi curries. Oh, I'm just absolutely obsessed with them. They're comfort food because I love food. I am a big foodie. I love cooking. It's where I'm happiest in the whole world. If you put me in a kitchen where I can cook all day, it just makes me happy. I have my music on, I'm cooking and I'm experimenting with recipes, and it is just what makes my heart happy. And yeah, I love it so much, and I really want to pass that on to my kids. I want to pass on to them the love of cooking, and they do. The girls love cooking already. Foxy's obviously a little bit too small at the moment. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of come on and say I loved the week. If anyone who wants to do it, just try it. Try your recipes. If anyone has any good veggie recipes, pop them down below for me because I love trying them. I want to do a YouTube series. I'm going to do a YouTube series of fun things I've seen on TikTok that I'm going to make. I did the garlic thing, the sriracha garlic. Me and Ben did that the other day and that was really nice. I made some cheese parathas. I think that's how you pronounce it. I found them on Mob Kitchen on TikTok. I'll link the recipe somewhere. Oh my goodness, they were absolutely incredible. There was these flatbreads with cheese and chili inside. Ben added meat to his and Mika added ham to hers, but mine was just cheese and chili in the middle, and you fry them and they go crispy and crunchy and cheesy and gooey, and they're so good. And it's like, if I can eat food like that and not need to incorporate meat, it's just, yeah, everyone else can eat meat in the house, that's fine, I'll still cook it for them. And if I fancy some, I'll have it, but at the moment how it goes, I'm just kind of leaving it to see what I fancy on the day. But I will 100% be trying to continue a good portion of my week to be vegetarian from now on. Yeah, I just wanted to come on and just say that. I'm not really sure what was the point of this video, but just if you want to have a go, have a go. I do have an Instagram where for my food and stuff, where I'll be putting things on. But yeah, if you find any TikToks that you want me to recreate, like meals or foods or snacks or cakes or anything, just pop them down below. And I want to do it as a full series of YouTube videos of things I made on TikTok, and just try and get into more cooking, because it's what makes me happy. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed already, I would love that too. I'm filming my 10,000 subscriber video this weekend. It's got a really big giveaway. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.